What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded. She's the Bobber. All right. Now, on today's video, we are getting a P.O. box. So if you'd like to send me something, I'm going to put the address in the description. It'll probably be in a couple other videos also. But I finally said, you know what? I'm going to get a P.O. box. I have a place for people to send to me. I'm sending out a bunch of stuff right now. A couple of you guys don't know this yet, because your addresses, your P.O. boxes are already in your description. So, Dick and the Hound, Iron Cross Racing, I got stuff coming your way. Everybody else already knows. Roll Tide 530, Tarnation, Blue Black and Doyle, and the 2 Kiwi Riders. So, stuff's going out today. This video will probably be 6 days delayed. So, hopefully, you'll get your packages sometime soon after this video. If not already. It is the holiday, so it may take a little bit longer. We can hope for the best though, right guys? Alright. Ooh. I've been stuck behind this guy for way too long. Finally gonna be able to get around him. He's probably gonna go the same way as me and shit. Alright, here we go. But like I said, if you guys want to send me stuff, go for it. You know, stickers. I'm hoping to get some new stickers made. I just sent out the last of the ones I had. They were just my first stickers from like the first month I was doing this. SCMM came out. Yeah, thank you for stopping. Give me the evil eye at the same time. It's not my fault. I'm on the road doing legal things. For SCMM, I had just started YouTube when it came out, but I wanted to hand out some stickers and all that fun, you know, fun stuff that everybody else is doing. Of course, next year, you know, I want to go bigger, and that's all stuff to come later. But oh, there it is. Alright guys, so we are at the post office. I gotta go get a peel box. I don't really think you want to see that stuff, and I don't think they really want me to record that stuff. So I'm gonna get the number. I'll throw it in the description for you guys. I'm getting your guys' packages sent out. So like always, stay safe, stay classy.